Hey there, beautiful. Come to join me for a freezing cold swim in this raging waterfall. I am a trained professional, and that this is very dangerous because that right there behind me, that's moving pretty fast. You gotta know how to navigate that before you just go jumping into it. Let's go over there and check it out. What do you think? That looks like fun to you? Looks like fun to me. All right. Holy moly. She's a raging. Whoa. Wow, that current is unbelievable. Woo! Holy shit. Woo! Yeah! Oh my god. Woo! Woo! Oh! Oh yeah! Oh! Look at that! You would not believe the power of that waterfall! Or how cold that is! Oh, that is melted snow!